Ever pondered over the idea of starting a landscaping business? A business that brings together the love for the outdoors, creativity, and a hands-on approach. Today, we're diving into exactly how to do that. But remember, depending on the saturation should be something to always consider before doing this business. First off, let's talk about the basics. What is a landscaping business? Well, this is a business that focuses on modifying or maintaining the visible features of an area, such as plants, gardens, and other green spaces, to make it more attractive. To get started, the first step is to create a solid business plan. This is a blueprint that outlines your business goals and how you plan to achieve them. It covers everything from your target market, marketing and sales strategies, to your financial projections. Next, it's time to get your hands dirty, literally. Landscaping is a lot about the practical work. Types of grass cutting, for example, are an essential part of this business. Understanding the different types of grass and the best ways to maintain them will give your business an edge. From cool season grasses like Kentucky bluegrass that require regular mowing, to warm season grasses like Bermuda grass that need less frequent cutting, knowing your turf is crucial. Another skill to master is how to edge a sidewalk. This involves creating a neat, clean line between the grass and the sidewalk, driveway, or garden beds. It's a meticulous job, but it adds a professional touch to any landscaping project, making it stand out. Then, there's the creative side of landscaping, designing a flower bed. This is where you get to let your imagination run wild, choosing a variety of flowers and plants, and arranging them in an aesthetically pleasing way. Remember, color, texture, and size all play a role in creating a visually appealing flower bed. Finally, you'll need to take care of the legalities. Register your business, get any necessary permits or licenses, and don't forget insurance. Landscaping can be a risky business, so it's important to be covered. To summarize, starting a landscaping business involves crafting a detailed business plan, mastering practical skills like different types of grass cutting and edging sidewalks, unleashing your creativity in designing flower beds, and taking care of the legal aspects. So if you have a passion for nature, a knack for design, and don't mind getting your hands dirty, a landscaping business could be the perfect venture. It's a business that not only enhances the beauty of our surroundings but also offers a fulfilling and profitable career. It's time to turn that dream into a reality. Happy landscaping, everyone!